The top news today, November 7, 2025. World news, geopolitical tensions and global crises. Global attention remains focused on several escalating crises. In the Middle East, Israel has ramped up strikes on southern Lebanon as Hezbollah vows to defend itself, marking an escalation of regional tensions alongside the ongoing humanitarian crisis in Gaza. Efforts are underway to draft a UN resolution for an international stabilization force in Gaza within the next couple of weeks. In the U.S., the protracted federal government shutdown continues to cause significant domestic disruption. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has been forced to order a 10% reduction in air traffic across 40 high-volume markets due to staffing shortages, leading to widespread flight delays and travel chaos. On the political front, former U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi announced her retirement from Congress at the end of her current term. Separately, the UN chief warned the COP30 summit that missing the 1.5 degrees Celsius climate target is a moral failure.
Economy and finance, market tumbles, and rate decisions. Financial markets saw a sharp drop, particularly in the U.S., with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite tumbling as investors reacted to reports of high layoffs and hiring freezes. A report from outplacement firm Challenger, Gray and Christmas indicated that U.S. job cuts in October soared to a 22-year high, up 175% from the previous year, with a major driver being belt-tightening and the adoption of artificial intelligence, AI, in corporations. The U.S. government shutdown is compounding market uncertainty, as the Federal Reserve is left without crucial inflation and employment data ahead of its next policy decision on interest rates. Globally, the Bank of England, BOE, left its main interest rate unchanged at 4%, but signaled that inflation has peaked, potentially opening the door to a December rate cut. European stock markets also closed lower following the BOE's decision. Meanwhile, the U.S. Supreme Court is reviewing the legality of President Donald Trump's tariffs, a case that could have a massive impact on international trade and the U.S. economy, adding another layer of uncertainty to the global financial outlook.
Technology, the AI investment race and layoffs. The tech sector is facing a dual reality: massive investment in AI alongside significant job cuts. Major tech giants like Meta, Alphabet, and Microsoft are accelerating capital expenditures to capture AI-driven growth, sending their stocks to record highs despite the broader market decline. For instance, Meta's estimated 2025 capex is expected to rise sharply. However, the surge in AI adoption is directly linked to the spike in technology sector layoffs, as companies restructure and automate roles. Separately, some major tech announcements included Google's plans to put data centers in space to meet AI demand, and a new ruling by the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK to lift the ban on retail access to cryptocurrency exchange-traded notes, ETNs, which has sparked a fee war in regulated crypto funds. There is also a broader market concern over a potential AI bubble, as stock market values of AI-related companies fall sharply.